In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your Google Calendar across devices. Having your schedule at your fingertips, no matter where you are, makes planning your day so much easier. It eliminates the need to manually input events on each device you own. With Google Calendar, syncing is straightforward, and I'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure your events appear seamlessly across all your devices. First things first, let's start with your desktop. Go to your favorite web browser. You can use any browser you like, whether it's Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Microsoft Edge. No need to download anything extra, it couldn't be simpler. Type in the URL for Google Calendar or search for it in Google if that's handier for you. Once you're there, it's crucial to make sure you're logged in with the correct Google account. This should be the same account that you use on your phone. This is key because using different accounts on different devices will lead to mix-ups and your events won't sync properly. Logging in with the right account is essentially the foundation of syncing your calendars. As soon as you're signed in, your events will sync automatically. There's no additional setup required here. Google has taken care of all the heavy lifting for you. You'll find this seamless integration makes keeping track of your appointments a breeze without you having to lift a finger. Now, some of you might be thinking about how this helps with different devices, especially mobile ones. Well, when you log in using the same Google account on your smartphone or tablet, everything is instantly unified. It's like magic. But of course, it's important to ensure that your mobile settings are configured to allow syncing. Most phones will have this option enabled by default, but it's always good to double check by going into your phone settings and confirming that calendar sync is turned on. This step ensures that everything you input or alter will be reflected everywhere else you check your calendar. Let's recap that crucial idea of using the same Google account. It might seem like such a small detail, but it's truly the linchpin in syncing across devices smoothly. Bringing consistency to your digital life like this can transform the frustration of missed appointments into a thing of the past. So, by simply accessing Google Calendar on your browser and verifying your Google account synchronization across your devices, your calendar events will stay updated no matter where you check them from. While it's an intuitive process, it provides immense convenience for anyone juggling a busy schedule, and it effectively keeps your day on track effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you stay organized and stress-free with Google Calendar. See you next time with more tips to optimize your digital life.